All right, here we go. Another beautiful piece of inventory just came in. 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. Braunability handicap wheelchair conversion. This is a rear entry manual conversion with 8,100 original miles. This van is absolutely brand new, immaculate inside and out. It belonged to one of our good customers. Feel free to reach out to us, 954-561-2499. Happy to help at any time. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. 8,100 original miles, clean Carfax, no stories, no issues. This belonged to one of our customers. It was an elderly woman. Condition is outstanding inside and out. It's just like a brand new van. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. We've been in business 47 years. We're a Braunability service center and dealer. Authorized. We service and check every single van that comes in. This van is immaculate. I'm going to give you the full tour. It is a full rear entry conversion. Has all your wheelchair restraints. It's got the double jump seat option. Those fold out of the way. I will show you how everything works and functions in this van. Super easy setup. It does have room for 2 wheelchairs. It does also have a Q-Lock 150 system. As you can see, the paint and body is in pretty near flawless condition. Inside and out, it's laser straight down the sides. Very nice. Dual side entry doors. Very, very nice. These jump seats also fold away, so you could pull a wheelchair all the way up to the front. You could also have one in the back. It does have all of your restraints and seatbelt in place. Dual air conditioning. Again, 8,100 miles. Everything on this van is just like a brand new one. The condition is absolutely outstanding. 8,106 miles. It may change with demonstrating, but as you can see, the condition everywhere is just like new. Of course, there's absolutely no rust whatsoever. I'll show you how those seats work here in a second. It's very easy. Fold it down, pull that lever, fold down, and then there's a lever right here on the side, right here, and fold it up, and you'll have that tucked away. Dual air conditioning, obviously. Full power package. This is a manual loading ramp, super easy. Does have your Braunability wheelchair restraints here. You have your seat belt back here. You have your dual air conditioning, of course. You have a Q-Lock 150 already set up in here. As you can see, the condition in this van is brand new shape, 8,100 miles. I mean, it still has the sticker from when it was brand new right there. Comes with all the manuals, 2 keys, no issues whatsoever. Basically a brand new van. Same thing here with this jump seat. You can go out of the way. Super easy. This is a great setup. Again, you can have 2 wheelchairs in here. It is dropped all the way to the front, so you can have 2 wheelchairs. To stow this, you just lift the handle and put it away. It kind of goes by itself the way it glides. You don't even need to be very strong to do it. Gorgeous condition. 2015 Caravan, 8,000 miles, no rust at all. Gorgeous. Locally owned here. It's one of our customers. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Give us a like, give us a follow. We really do try to have the best vans in the world. We service and check every single one. The tires are good on this van. The front tires are good. The rear tires we are going to address. They're not perfect, so we're going to address those. We will put a match set to the front on there so that this van will be ready to go completely. It is beautiful. 954-561-2499. You can call or text us at any time. under the hood. I mean, this thing is immaculate. Warranties available. We can ship to anywhere in the world. Financing available. Just let us know how we can help you. We take any type of trade-in. Ship it right to your doorstep if you want. Feel free anytime. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. SupremeMotorsUSA.com. SupremeMotorsUSA.net. We are a Braunability service and sales dealership, new and pre-owned. This thing is immaculate. Thank you.